Okay, today we are checking into Port Orleans Riverside. This is a beautiful resort that is kind of Tiana, Princess and the Frog themed. So I have this really cute Mickey towel on our bed. You can kind of see the decorative headboard back there. Really pretty like southern home on there. We of course have just really beautiful steamboat artwork. And then my favorite part ever is this curtain that goes, it's like a privacy curtain for the sink and the bathroom. It's so pretty, vibrant colors. I love Tiana so much. So here we are, we have a dresser. This is of course your cooler, 3 drawers, water service here. And then we have this little table and chairs with a mirror. And then over here, look at the detail. The frogs, the really pretty pattern. So this would be an adjoining room if you were to request one. Now let's take a peek at the bathroom behind the curtain. So we do have a double vanity, which is great. I always love to see that. Lots and lots of place to hang clothes. You can store your suitcases down here. There is a safe on the wall back here. Just then we have that really pretty double vanity. And then in the restroom, we have a beautiful curtain. All of the buildings here are very Southern Orleans themed. So this is Magnolia Bend, where I am in the Acadia house on the ground level. So we have a full tub in there with shower curtain, and then this is the overlook of the whole room. Great little bench. You can put your suitcase there if you want. Hang some stuff over here. I always love to use this space for umbrellas or raincoats or anything like that that has to dry from getting caught in the rain, as we know happens all the time in Florida. So this is a king, and I really love the bathroom. I love that we have the double vanity. That's always a big selling point for me. We have USB and regular charging outlets over here. Again, more storage in the nightstands. And then a really cool thing to note is that Port Orleans Riverside has the Hey Disney, which is a really cool, if you're familiar with like Alexa, it functions similar to that. You can ask it the weather, you can ask it questions about guest services. If you book a resort that has a Hey Disney, they are slowly rolling them out to all the resorts. There will be a pamphlet in your room that explains exactly how you can get the most out of it. So super cool. I did not know we were gonna have that, so that's really awesome. So if you are looking for a great resort to check out, Riverside is beautiful. It is also a short walk over to the French Quarter, which is where you can get those Mickey beignets. So definitely check it out. Like I said, this is a king room. This is a ground level room, which I love. Not having to hike up all those stairs after a park day. Double vanity, really lots and lots of space. It's very spacious. So definitely check out Port Orleans Riverside.